Olaplex oil repairs damaged hair and links hair bonds, while Moroccan oil adds shine. Olaplex is made using patented ingredients, while Moroccan oil is made from argan oil. Olaplex has almost instant results, while Moroccan oil requires constant application. Olaplex has professional products, number 1 and number 2, and end consumer products, number 3, number 4, and number 5, while Moroccan oil has a range of hair care treatments. Olaplex hair masks are more potent for severely damaged hair, but may cause sensitivity in those allergic to chemical products. Moroccan oil's restorative hair mask is made from natural oil and is ideal for slightly damaged hair. Olaplex's Bond Intense Moisture Mask, number 8, is made with patented ingredients and repairs damaged hair bonds. Moroccan oil hair treatment makes hair shiny and smooth, while Olaplex hair reflector repairs broken hair bonds and improves hair growth. Moroccan oil hair treatment is ideal for all hair types and is a natural moisturizer, while Olaplex hair reflector is ideal for highly damaged hair and gives instant results. Olaplex products are more expensive than Moroccan oil products. Moroccan oil is perfect for less maintenance hair, while Olaplex is suitable for severely damaged hair.